Hey friends, if you wish to fix keyboard not working in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. First of all, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the accessibility tab on the list on the left hand side and select keyboard in the right pane. Turn all of these three switches off. Without this, the keyboard may cease to work. So once you have switched off these three switches, the next solution will be to update Windows. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and make sure that each and every update is installed on the computer. If this doesn't help, then search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager and expand the list for keyboard drivers. Right click on the first one and update drivers. Right click on the second one and update drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.